chosen vessel, pure and bright. Through your yes, the world found mercy, dawn of God's redeeming light. Not to take the place of Jesus, but to bear the Holy One. You received the angel's message, and his work in you was done.